So this has been up on the board since last week, Wednesday. It's not really an assignment, but it's more or less like, how do I figure this stuff out? I don't know. I know number 3 is just a simple subtraction. So let me find a piece of chalk and see what I can hammer out here. Before I crawl back into bed. Okay, so I'm gonna put all my work basically through all there. So number 3 is, I'll put that one here because I don't know how much space the other ones are gonna take. So this is 10 stone. Minus 5 stone. I gotta think here. Oh no, I have to borrow. Let me see. I haven't done this in a long time. So I think if I do 10, let me see. Well, 10 minus 5 is 5 stone. So that's the best I could do with that. Just do 10 minus 5. I know there's a borrowing thing, but I don't know, like, I'm not really wanting to think about that right now. But 10 minus 5 is 5 stone. And they're all the same thing here. You got stones and stones and stones. So that's how I could do that real fast like that. Alright, so that one is done. Number 2 says, how many pounds are in 10 stone? Okay, so we'll do this as number 2 over here. Go blank. Pounds equal 10 stone. Now, I know 14 pounds is 1 stone. Where did that go? Here. 1 stone is 14 pounds. I'm not real good at this. So 14 pounds is 1 stone. Okay, so then if I do 14 times 10, I think, because if I do 14 stone, let's see here. Let me see here. I'm going to count each of these as 14. So that's 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do it this way. So that's 14. 4. So that's 10. So this would be like 14 I think you multiply it by 10. Okay, so there should be enough room to do my work. Okay, so let me see here. So 4 times no is 4, I think. And then I think you do it the other way. 4 times nil times 1 is nil. I gotta think about this. Nil times 1 is 1. Let me see here. This is a placeholder. And then this is gonna be 4. And then that's gonna be 1, I think. This is if I'm doing this right, because I don't know if I'm doing this right. That would be 4. So I think it would be 244 pounds, I think. Let me see, what was it? 10 stone? That can't be. I think I did something wrong, because it doesn't look right. Because it doesn't look right. I think I did something wrong. I don't know how to do this. 244. I know that's not right. Let me see. I'm going to do this one again. Let me erase this. Let me erase all this. Okay. Let me put that back. Okay, so 14 stone. Oh, that's 14 pounds is 1 stone. And that's a given. That's right there. 1 stone is 14 pounds. Right there. But I think it's multiplication. I think you multiply the 14 times 10. But I just gotta figure out how to multiply it. So if we got... I'm messing this up. So if we got 14 times 10. And then I think I gotta figure out how to do this. Now, if you have, let's see, if you have 2 and you multiply it by no, you still have 2. But I don't know how that works. No, if you have a number and it's multiplied by 1, then that's still that same number. If you have a number and you multiply it by nil, I think it's nil, but I don't know why. That's if I'm remembering this correctly, because I don't know. I haven't done this in a long time. So 4 times no, we'll say that's no. And then nil times 1 is nil. And then 1 times 4 is 4. And then 1 times 1 is 2. No, 1 times 1 is 1. I don't know why I'm thinking 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Because 1, and you have it 1 time, that's only 1. So that's 1. And you add these up. That's 0, and that's 4, and that's 1. That number looks more correct. This number looks more correct. That's only because I've been playing with stones and pounds with weight. And I want to get down to 10 stone. So I think that's how that works, but I don't know how that works, if that makes any sense. So number 2 is done. Number 1 says, how many, I can't read that. How many ounces in pounds? Oh, how many ounces in 2 pounds? So this is kind of the same thing. I'm going to draw a line here. So this is going to be the work for number 1. Okay, so this would be ounces. We got blank ounces equals 2 pounds. And we got to figure out how many ounces is 1 pound. 1 pound is 16 ounces. And we want to know how many ounces. Let me see that. How many ounces in 2 pounds? Okay. How many ounces in 2 pounds? So, where did my thing go? So 16 ounces is 1. So I think you multiply 16 times 2. Let me see here. So if we got 16 ounces, oops. And you multiply that by 2. Well, 6 and 2 is 12. And I'm going to run out of space on my blackboard. And then 2 times 1, that's going to be 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to run out of space. So I'm going to put this up here. So let's see here. Or else I could try to write it smaller. Let me see here. 16 times 2. I need a bigger chalkboard. Okay, so 16 ounces times 2. You have a hard time with this. I just knocked something. Yeah, I just knocked that over. Okay, so let's. This is 12. And this still is not going to give me enough room. And this is 2. Okay, so then I'm going to move this part over here. So you got 12, and then you got the 2. And you add these together. And this is gonna be 2, and that's 3. So it's 32 ounces. So 32 ounces are equal to 2 pounds. Yeah. So I'm gonna go through this slowly. I picked this thing up off the floor. It stays there. Okay, so this is the work for number 1. It didn't all fit. Well, I could probably just put the 32 under there. Let me see if I could fit the 32 under there. There. That's an addition. So then I'm gonna get rid of this subtraction, this thing here. There. Now the board looks cleaner. Okay. So that's the answer for that one. That's 32 ounces. And that's 16 ounces times 2. And then that's what I got. And then I add the two numbers together to get 32. How that works out, I don't know. And then for number 2, here's number 2 way over here. I got 140 pounds is equal to 10 stones. 1 stone is a pound, or 14 pounds is 1 stone, and then multiply 14 times 10, and then I get 140 pounds on that one. And again, I don't know how this works out. I'm just throwing numbers up here. And number 3 is just a simple subtraction one. 10 minus 5. 10 stone minus 5 stone is 5 stone. So that's the answers on that one. So I hope I can erase this stuff off the board tomorrow. But yeah. So that's my miscellaneous arithmetic stuff. I don't know why it was set, but it was set. It didn't have a due date or anything. But yeah. Okay. So that's that.